Hey, Devin.
Charity,
Hi.
we're out in the woods here to talk to the people.
Let's talk to him about some stuff. What do you want to talk about?
Yeah, I mean, look at today's the first, I think the first 80-degree day. Easy for me to say.
Yep.
It's about 80 today. Everybody's outside after, the winter and cold part of spring.
Yeah, I hope people are out finding ways to enjoy the weather and move their bodies and
Exactly. So we're coaches and we help people get their nutrition right, but we also promote activity naturally because people want to be more active and healthy, and exercise is a part of that. So we've been cooped up inside a lot, haven't we?
happily.
Well, a little bit. So a lot of people get cooped up inside and try to exercise inside, doing the dreaded treadmill, stair machine, even the rower I tried out this winter for the first time, right?
Yep, bike, indoor bike.
Indoor bike too. Yeah. Yeah, so all those things. But now the weather's breaking, and so for those that were fair weather fans of being outside and exercising,
So many great ways.
yeah, they could get out. So it's really, really key. We've talked about zone 2 cardio before.
Yep.
What is that again?
That's when your body's using fat as fuel.
Yeah.
Rather than sugar.
Yeah, and it's not as intense as most people think either.
Nope.
Some people could just have a moderate walking pace to get their heart rate up.
Probably out walking your dog in the evening for 30 minutes.
Not a stroll, but a walk where you're pushing the pace, 60 to 70% of your heart rate.
So the dog's walking you. You're now walking the dog.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. So getting out and taking care of your exercise, 150 minutes a week is your minimum to really add healthful years to your life.
But I think people know to do that. Maybe they don't do it in a brisk way, but there's lots of other ways people don't think about getting in that zone 2 cardio exercise for the day. For example, a couple of years ago, I just started taking walking meetings at work where I would just put my headphones in and go on a walk with if I was on a chat call, then I would just take it wherever I was, or if I was with somebody I was meeting with in person and we didn't need to sit in front of the computer, we would just take off and go for a walk. And
it's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sometimes maybe if you live in the right area, you can actually walk or ride your bike to a dinner location.
A sporting event?
We did that just last night. Yeah, a sporting event.
Mm-hmm.
You can use that.
Challenge your kids to a bike race?
Yeah, your bike races for sure.
Wear your helmet.
Yeah, so getting outside and enjoying the outdoors. Obviously, going on vacations, it gives you all sorts of opportunity. Like we did some great things in the last year or so. What were some of your favorite outdoor activities, and where were we?
Hiking in Banff. Definitely one of the most amazing trips of my life.
Yeah, hiking in Banff was amazing. We took a bike ride in Banff too. Pretty darn cool there.
Oh yeah, you want to talk about that? You're talking about the mountain biking trail from the mountain?
Oh, yeah. Okay. So we went, I thought we were going on a mountain biking trail. It ended up being a really difficult hiking trail, and you couldn't ride a bike on it. She was not happy with me. It was a good workout, though.
Yes.
Resistance training and cardio all at once.
Yep.
But we went on a more leisurely bike ride as well.
Yep. We ran.
We ran,
a couple
too.
Of days. Yeah, I mean, we were just out enjoying every day. Just in different environments and always finding something different, a different way to enjoy it, get our heart rate up and be active and see new things.
So yeah, if being more healthy, whether it's losing weight or getting your blood pressure right, maybe getting off medications that you're on to help with some of your conditions, because you do have some extra weight you're carrying, being active is critical, isn't it?
Yeah. Grab a neighbor, go for a walk first thing in the morning.
It is.
Find a buddy.
Yeah, and I don't know, fake it till you make it sometimes works for people. Like if you don't think you like exercising, I don't know, get out and take a walk outside on a day like today. It's hard not to like it, right?
Yeah,
well,
and
what's wrong with you?
What, you're not going to walk with your kids and grandkids when they get older? I mean,
yeah, it is.
That's the detriment of not being active.
It is. It's one of the main
20s,
goals.
30s, and 40s.
Yeah, it's one of the main goals of our clients is just wanting to be able to keep up with their grandkids.
I know.
Right? It's a great goal. Mm-hmm. But think about that. It's being able to get on the ground, get up. Being able to walk upstairs. It's being able to get on an airplane and fly to wherever they live. All of those things, which if you let yourself go, you don't do exercise, don't get outside, and take walks. Simple as that.
But all
And
that
eat well.
contributes,
Yeah.
right, to staying healthy and mobile and being active.
That's it. So there we go. The weather's breaking. It probably is doing the same where you live. Get out there, walk, ride your bike, get active, and stay busy with exercise, right?
Amp up your life.
Yeah, amp up your life, like she said.